Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is IslamTalk and I'm Farina Siddique. And I'm addressing all the dawah servants, the street dawah carriers, the online social media dawah carriers, everybody who is actually speaking up for haqq, who is actually speaking for truth. Please increase your knowledge. Please get the facts completely straight and then talk online. Then engage people online. Because if we did not do our due diligence collecting the facts about anything that we want to speak about, we will be creating a bigger mess that we can imagine. We will be creating more misinformation. We will be spreading more miscommunication, misinformation and confusion among the community, internally for Muslims and externally for non-Muslims. So please read more about what Islam is, the Aqidah and everything that actually is part of your conversations online. So please be mindful of you increasing your knowledge about Islam so you convey the right message. Please increase knowledge of your own deen, the legacy of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ before you speak online, before you actually spread the message of Islam. Understand Islam, because Islam is a complete way of life. It's a complete constitution that also has complete comprehensive view of every single form of human relationships, in family, outside family, in the society, in the community. That includes the jurisdiction, the law, the Sharia and everything. And actually Islam is a complete constitution of a Muslim's life. So when you have that knowledge and then you go out and spread this knowledge, then you're actually conveying the right message. If you're not able to do that, go seek knowledge about your religion and then speak online, so people are not misguided by the wrong instance, about wrong understanding, wrong messaging, inshallah. So do that. The thing I want to talk about is Gaza. This Gaza issue, the martyrs, 10,000 plus people are dead, died, martyred in Gaza because of Israeli apartheid and their crimes against humanity. And there is so much human rights violation conducted by Israeli government, and there nobody is actually questioning them or is able to stop them. And this is the best time for us as Muslims and non-Muslims coming together to speak against this human rights violation and these human atrocities caused for the people of Gaza by Israeli apartheid. And all the major countries, Muslims and non-Muslims, are actually just backing up Israel, saying, you know what, we unequivocally support Israel's right to defend and then kill people. Doesn't do the math, right? Doesn't fit right. So we need to understand that this is very important to know, that you don't have to be a Muslim to actually speak for Gaza, for the people of Gaza. The people are dying, kids are being butchered. It was 16 minutes a day. See, every 16 minutes a child was dying, and now it's increasing. Subhanallah, I can't even understand how people are quiet, how people are actually letting their government get away with this kind of stance, unequivocal, unconditional support for Israel. And now in places like Germany, France, everywhere, people are being banned from actually even talking about this. This is so inhuman. This is so unethical, unfair, unjust at many different levels. And we need to be able to speak about this. You don't have to be a Muslim to speak for Gaza. You have to be a human being. And if you're a human being, speak against these human rights violations. Speak against these injustices, oppression caused by the occupied territorial state of Israel on the land of Gaza, which is owned by indigenous community of Palestinians. This is one thing. And for Muslims, this is the best time to be a Muslim, a vocal Muslim on this earth. Why? Because these Palestinian martyrs, these people dying in Gaza, have opened a beautiful channel for people of Palestine to be heard, and for the Muslims to be heard even widely. Why? Because this is the best time to explain Islam to people. This is the best time to be vocal as a Muslim. This is the best time to be conveying the message of Islam to people. This is the best time to be unconditionally, unapologetically Muslim. Even it means you're politically incorrect, that's fine. Be the right messenger of Islam right now. Right now is the best time. So be unapologetic, convey the right truth, convey the right message, and understand that people of Gaza who are dying, who are getting martyred, have opened up this channel as a blessing for us to actually convey the right message, convey the truth, and to actually open the clarity passage for the entire world to understand who is the oppressed and who is the oppressor, who is the evil, who is the right. And we have to actually avail this opportunity and encourage everybody who is watching you, to listening to you, and to actually hearing your message, sharing your message, to actually convey this message and to help people understand why Israel is the occupied territory over the land of Palestinians. They have occupied, and they are actually conducting all these human rights violations against them. And people of Gaza need your voice more than anything, more than your money, more than anything. They need your voice. They need you to spread the awareness about them. They need you to spread the word about them. They need you to actually talk about their plight. For 75 years, now is not the time where people can actually shut everything down. They can actually cover everything down. This is the time of social media, and social media is your biggest strategy if you actually used it effectively and properly. The people of Gaza are banking on you. Even after death, they're banking on you to become their voice. They're banking on you to become their support. They're banking on you to become the education for them. Inshallah, keep speaking up. Keep saying the right thing. Only spread the truth. Never spread the hate. Never spread. Jazakallah khair, spread this message. And if you would like to have a connection with me or any other dawah carriers talking about this, by all means reach out to us, inshallah.